In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your Apple Watch using your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up the Find My app. And then all we have to do is just tap right here at Devices to see all your devices associated with your Apple ID. Here we can easily find Apple Watch, and first off we need to tap on it. And basically, guys, what that will do, that will show you current or the last location of your watches here at the map. And also from there you can tap at play sound, and after a couple of seconds it will start playing sound on your Apple watches, and it will keep playing this sound until you hit right here at dismiss. So that's how you can easily find your Apple watches using your iPhone. Keep in mind that once you hit right here, it will also lock your watches, so then you have to enter your password to unlock it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.